Independence Day? Jamaica. One love? Jamaica. One love? Jamaica. Out of many, one people. Out of many, one people. Yay! So guys, this video is dedicated to all my beautiful Jamaican people. I'm making this video ahead of time, but I'm going to post it, and it's intended for your Independent Day. A country that have lovely people, a country that's so green, so beautiful, with water bodies, like everything. I personally love Jamaica. I know the rest of the people do, but you guys have shown me so much love. So I find it very easy to celebrate you guys. And when do I find the right time to celebrate you guys if not your Independent Day? I dedicate this cake to my Jamaican people.
Kenya, this is probably the funniest thing we see for the longest while. The teacher cartel. Boy, may I tell you, boy, Kenya fully Gaza. I'm sure if you tell Vibes that Kenya fully Gaza, he gonna answer like, I know. Check this.
Yo, Wagwan.
Wagwan teacher. Big up yourself, teacher.
Yo, big up on yourself. So today me want to teach you about the alphabet. Starting off with letter A. A stand for awo. Somebody say awo.
Awo.
B is for bombo clat. A lot of them say B for boy, but we not rate no boy. B is for bombo clat.
Bombo class.
C is for clacks. And will you get a new clacks there, Dad?
Which color that? This is my class with the
D is for dancehall. Cause a lot of get to you to make a life out of dancehall, so we rate dancehall. And we culture that.
Dancehall every day.
E is for east side.
East side.
Is it? Who that?
This one.
From today, you're the prefect. F is for fully. You could have seen fully Gaza, fully vendetta, fully unruly, fully genocide. F is for fully.
Fully active.
G. Anybody want to take a guess what G stand for?
Gaza. Gully side.
Bully. You're not even ready for first grade. Anybody want to take a guess what G stand for?
Gangster. Gallis.
That is it. G is for Gallis.
Gallis.
Yo, Managalis, from today you're the prefect.
What's up guys, welcome back to these channels. My name is Tim Tesi. For the first time, if you are come across my video, remember to subscribe, like and also comment. So guys, in today's video I want us to continue watching this video of the African people. They have come out and show their love towards Jamaica, because Jamaica being the center of the world, being the most loved country across over the world, it has managed to influence a lot of people across all over the world without using any bullet. People, they have just come out and really love Jamaica, and they want to be a really Jamaicans. In this TV, in today's is a combination of a short video, a short clips of how really Africans are really in love in Jamaica. So kindly guys, let's watch this video until the end, and then I'll come back with more reaction. I'm your host Tim Tesi. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and all credit goes to the original creator of this video.
Bro, this is so fucking true. Ain't nobody love reggae music like South African uncles and aunties and the grandparents. They love that shit, bruv. I remember my second trip there. I went to Johannesburg and we rented this whole house. And it was about around 2 and something like that in the afternoon. And I went out on the balcony, and the neighbors next to me, bruv, all I heard was, easy skanking it easy. Oh, pirates, yes, they roll by Buffalo Soldier. And I was like, wait, hold on, wait, what? And the mix, I was listening to the mix. It went on and on and on and on. So I was like, Jamaicans. We have some Jamaicans next to us. So we was going to go out, innit? So I was like, oh, yeah, like, you mans. I was telling everybody. I was like, when we're going past, let's tell, like, you know, the neighbors hi in Jamaica. Bruv. We got out of this house, went up to their house, got to the gate. We saw it. It was two, like, older couple. Like, they would look like they were in, like, their 40s, 50s, 60s. So went up to them. I agreed to them in patois, bruv. I was like, why, go on, uncle? Like, I was chatting patois. Please tell me why This man replied back to me in a South African accent. I said, hello, hi, excuse me. He's like, yes, I'm South African. It was two full South African uncle and aunties, bruv, and they were in the front garden dancing the fuck like ain't nobody's business. And then, you know, the funny thing is, like, you will go into like certain areas and you'll just hear them be beating reggae, bruv. It's not a joke. I think Bob Marley performed in South Africa one time, bruv. I can't remember. But bruv, they love that shit. I don't think Jamaican people appreciate reggae music the way they do. They love that shit.
Who said that? Hey. What are 5 Jamaicans in Africa? Walk, you good? What, hey! Thank you! Yeah, we'll catch the snow in Africa. It's about time you come back home. Yeah, MSC. Carly.
Do you know there's something that I've picked up, right? When going through people's comments about Africa, about the development of Africa, about Africans coming together as a collective, about BRICS, etc., you know, and how it will benefit Africa. And there is a specific group of people that consistently, if you go through the comments, are there. And this is me giving them a shout out for constantly and always being supportive of Africa. And these are the Jamaicans. Without fail, under anything positive or anything negative about Africa, you will find Jamaicans supporting Africa, standing up for Africa, and just being part of the conversation and always saying that we are one. So this is me saying thank you.
Yeah, me I tell you, me nah lie. Me I tell you the truth. I'm a Kenyan. Kenyan me born and grown. Kenyan me born and grow. See? I come from one part of Kenya when named Nairobi. I'm born and grow in a one garrison named Dandora. And that's where I grow from me a little picnic scene. But from me was little, I love listen to Jamaican music. I love watch Jamaican artists a perform. I love to watch Jamaican movie. And when I hear how Jamaicans attack, I go research, learn how to pronounce the words and everything. See? And that's when I learn the Jamaican accent and the Jamaican patois. See? But me not lie. I'm not a Jamaican. I'm a Kenyan. See?
What's up guys, welcome back. Hope you have watched a full clip how really African are rising to support Jamaica and their love towards Jamaica. I told you that Jamaica is the country that is most loved across all over the world. No other country can come behind Jamaica. Jamaica being the small island, being the smallest island across all over the world, it has managed to attract a lot of people just love Jamaica. And Jamaica got its fame by not using any bullet, by not colonizing any country, but it came through fame because of their culture. And Jamaica being the loved country across over the world, it has managed to pull a lot of people. They just want to go and stay in Jamaica. And today's hope you have watched that how that lady really introduced the school, and it's in a village. She is trying to send love to Jamaica because Jamaica had an independent in 1963 and it was celebrated. So the lady took its time with her children and sent her love to Jamaica during this Independent Day. This shows that Jamaica being the only country that's now being loved across all over the world, and it's being influenced to all people. Because of its culture, it has managed to attract so many people. We have also witnessed how that guy is trying to teach Kenyans people how they can speak a Patos language. And Patos language, this is some of the culture being used by the Jamaicans people. Jamaicans normally use Patos language, especially during the reggae music. That language got its fame. And Jamaica being the descendant of the African people, African also learned from Jamaica, so they all also speaking the Patos language. You have seen how really that guy is speaking a Patos language and teaching how children can speak a Patos language, and that is the courage, that is the influence that really Jamaica have towards the world. We have also witnessed how that guy is speaking a fluent Patos language, and this shows that Africa and Jamaica are their brothers and sisters. They really love each other. They really come from the same womb. And Jamaica and Africa share the common thing, because here also in Africa, in Nigeria, we have this language called Ekipo language. This language is being also spoken by the Jamaicans people, and it has the influence towards Jamaica. And this now shows that Jamaica being this country is the most loved country across over the world, and people came out and started declaring Jamaica to be the capital of the world, being the center of the world, being the most country across all over the world. Even we Africa, we really celebrate you Jamaicans. You are so amazing. Your culture. Because when you go in reggae music, reggae roots, Jamaica is the best in terms of reggae music, and it has been really performing this for so long time, and it has attracted a so long people. And other things about the in terms of sports, Jamaica is now shining in Olympics. Look how they really win the gold. Usain Bolt being the fastest man across over the world, holding the world record in Jamaica, is from the small island in Jamaica. Is the most talented guy across all of in terms of the athletics. Jamaica is one of them. When we come in terms of their foods, Jamaica being the center of what it has influence to have that meat, jerky meat, that egg. People just love in Jamaica, and Jamaica has the best tourist center. So people, they just travel and have time in Jamaica, and even the life itself is so cheap. That's why people just love really Jamaicans, and Jamaica being the most united country across all over the world, people just love Jamaica what it's normally doing. And this is now, I really recommend so many people in, you can just go to Jamaica and witness yourself big, because Jamaica is the most growing country, is the most developed country, is the country that has been got its fame because it's welcoming. When you go to Jamaica, you will find the different accents. You will find the Jamaicans, you will find the Chinese. So many accents are in Jamaica, and that is really Jamaica is, and that is the uniqueness of Jamaica. Jamaica being the unique, being the center of the world. That is how really Jamaica is behaving. And don't mess with Jamaica, because Jamaica love each, and when you go to other countries, they really unite. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching me. I'm your host Tim Tesi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and also comment and share to your friends. Bye for now. See you next.